Alright, here's a stoichiometry problem that's a little bit different in that it doesn't give us grams or moles to start off. Instead, it tells us we have 300 milliliters of 1.5 molar HCl, and we want to find out how much H2 it's going to produce. So a lot of things are the same. Just like before, we're going to want the connection between HCl and H2. So we're going to want to know that 2 moles of HCl will produce 1 mole of H2. And since we're going to want grams of H2, we're going to need to know that 1 mole of H2 has a mass of 2.02 grams. But we don't need the molar mass of HCl because they're not giving us the mass of HCl. So one thing that's important, though, is recognizing what 1.5 molar means. It basically means that, hey, there's 1.5 moles of HCl for every 1 liter of HCl. So that's going to be important. So we're trying to convert from milliliters of HCl into grams of H2. And so we're in milliliters, we also need to know that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. And so this is how we're going to set up our conversion. So we know that we have 300 milliliters of HCl. That's our starting point. It's our simple unit, not our complex unit. Remember, concentration is really a complex unit. And so 300 mils of HCl, we know that for every 1,000 milliliters, there's 1 liter. Great. And we know that, okay, we're in liters. We know that for every 1 liter of HCl, there's 1.5 moles of HCl. So that gets us there. Now we got to get to H2, so I'm running out of space, so I'm going to write down here. So for every 2 moles of HCl, I'll get 1 mole of H2. And then for every 1 mole of H2, there are 2.02 grams of H2. So that's our setup. Just a little bit longer of a dimensional analysis problem. And then we're just going to multiply that all out. So once we do that, we will get an answer of 0.45 grams of H2. And that's pretty much it. So it's a lot like a regular stoichiometry problem. It's just another way to get to moles. Remember, in stoichiometry problems, the goal is to always get to moles, because once you're in moles, you can go to moles of the other chemical. So here you have a volume. Molarity just provides an alternate way to get to moles. That's the only difference, really. So until next time, I am Derek Genova. Have a delightful day.